Stop scrolling. If you trade options or want to start in 2025, this one strategy could 10 times your profits while minimizing risk. Wall Street insiders don't want you to know this, but I'm breaking it down step by step. And here's the kicker. I'll reveal a real trade setup at the end, so watch till the last second. Why 2025 will be a game changer. The options market is shifting fast. AI-driven trading, interest rates, and global inflation, all creating massive opportunities. Most traders fail because they use outdated strategies. But today, I'm giving you a bulletproof 2025 strategy that works in any market. Step 1. The 3-layer profit shield. A game-changing options strategy. Forget basic call and put buying. The 3-layer profit shield strategy protects your capital while boosting profits. Here's how it works. Layer 1. Buy a deep-in-the-money call option with high delta for stability. Layer 2. Sell an out-of-the-money call to hedge risk and reduce cost. Layer 3. Buy a protective put to safeguard against market crashes. With this, you win whether the market goes up or down. Step 2. How to pick the best stocks for options in 2025. The golden formula. Smart traders don't trade random stocks. They use the golden formula to find the best options setups. Look for tech giants, AI stocks, and high-volatility companies like Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon. Earnings season is gold. Traders make 50 to 200% returns just by playing earnings options. Tool alert: use TradingView and Thinkorswim to track stock momentum and open interest. Step 3. The risk-free trade blueprint. Protecting your money like a pro. 90% of traders fail because they don't manage risk. Don't be one of them. Use this rule. Never risk more than 2% of your account per trade. Set a trailing stop loss to protect profits while letting winners run. Avoid these 3 deadly mistakes that kill traders. 1. No exit plan. 2. Trading on hype. And 3. Ignoring risk management. Step 4. How to 10 times your profits with smart moves. The secret nobody talks about. Ready to level up your profits? Here's the power move: trade high IV stocks during big news events like earnings, Fed meetings, and AI updates. Use the rolling strategy. Adjust your position as stock price moves to maximize profits. Reinvest your profits into deep in-the-money options to create a compounding snowball effect. This is how the top 1% of traders multiply their money fast. Final surprise live trade setup breakdown. Now let me show you a real trade setup. Let's analyze a Tesla options trade in real time. This setup follows everything we just covered, so pay attention. Comment options 2025 below if you want me to do live trade breakdowns every week. Subscribe now and turn on notifications for weekly high profit strategies.